the age of 21, I moved and I came to stay in Bloem. Ke tlo dula ko res for school. So yeah. Um Maluma, even now, I promise you, I go home, during festive and stuff, nigga is still the same. He will never change. And I remember my aunt one time, amuchika hore, but why Oliso? He's like, you've been doing this since I was young. And my aunt is like in her 50s now. I was like, oh, okay. So he's always been like this. It's not just me. But because I was the only child at home and my grandmother has 6 grandchildren, I'm the eldest. The others were living with their parents. I'm the only one who was staying with my grand. So Bale, maybe they do not really experience. They definitely did not experience it. It was just me, like, "O tsamaye, o ye ko mme wa hao, or o lo batla ntate wa hao." Oh my word, that was cruel, but it's okay. It has molded me into the woman that I am. It
Yeah.
really, really pushed me to feta skolo, go and get successful, have your own place so that you never have to experience this.